Hello everybody, I'm David Peterson and welcome back to my channel. You guys heard the news, stay home and stay safe. That's all you can do. Yes, as the title of this video says, this is a makeup tutorial for men. Okay, not like any of the other tutorials I've done this. It's not that men can't use it, I mean you can. A few men in particular prefer more natural makeup, less contouring, less coverage, just more natural to look a little more radiant. That's it. So I thought, okay, why not? A lot of people have been asking me about this, so I said, here you go guys, this is for you. So before you get you get directly into the makeup, you're gonna start by prepping your skin. So all you guys out there, I'm sure you already use a moisturizer, so I would say stick on to that moisturizer. If you don't use a moisturizer, I'm going to leave a few in the description below that I think is good and I think that you should totally give it a try. My personal favorite moisturizer is the classic Olay cream. This is my favorite. I've been using this for, I can't even count, I've been using it for so many years, and I just personally love this. My skin is super sensitive, so this just seems to work really well for me. But yeah, I will be leaving a few moisturizers in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. I'm blabbering, I'm sorry. Alright, so once you're done with your moisturizer, and if you're stepping out of the house, make sure you use your sunscreen. I would recommend the Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock. Amazing sunscreen, super natural, super matte. Give this a shot guys. This tutorial consists of just 3 to 4 products and that's it. You're good to go. Very natural, keeping it super natural for you guys. So you're going to start off by using a concealer. You're not going to need a foundation because foundation is, I mean, it totally depends. Like I said, a few guys want completely natural coverage and some just don't mind going out a little more. But if you are a person who wants super natural makeup, all you need is a good concealer. I would totally recommend the Shape Tape from Tarte because it's just super natural, full coverage, does not crease, looks very seamless. But since we do not get this in India, I would definitely recommend the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as well as the LA Girl Pro Concealer, which I will link in the description below again. Do check that out. So for today I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'll show you where to put this on your face, how to blend it out, and we'll go from there. Really close to the screen so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and forgive me for all the marks and stuff on my skin. Is from the laser. Anyway, so you're gonna start by dotting your concealer first below your eyes, the few problematic areas that you have. I wouldn't suggest that you go right under your eyes. You're gonna start by the corner of your nose and dot that there, base of your eye and between your cheek. So in this way you're giving coverage to your underneath your eye as well as a little coverage on your cheek area as well. I'm going to repeat the same step to the other side as well. So for the next step, I'm going to be using a brush, but if you are comfortable with your fingers, you can obviously blend this up with your fingers, but if you have a brush, well then good. So you're going to start by blending it. Take that into your eye as well. Blend the remaining out onto your cheeks. Do you see why I love this concealer so much? Because it takes just seconds to blend it and you can see a massive difference in discoloration, the coverage. So I'm going to go in with this side as well. Super natural, you look so much more awake. So if you do feel that the coverage wasn't enough for you and you want to go in a little more, you're good to go. The thing you're gonna need to do is to put in your concealer on the problematic areas of your face. So for instance, if you have any scars, if you have any acne that you need to cover up, like for instance I have a little spot over here, some redness around your nose, a little on the upper lip, on the chin, here and there on your neck, cheeks a little more. That's it with using your concealer guys. Now the next thing you need to do is make sure that you set the concealer in place. So to do this, I'm going to be using the Lakme loose powder today, but if you do not want to pick up loose powder, trust me, you can use any powder that you have at home. Even your Pond's powder would work. But you're going to want to set your powder with a brush. Sadly you can't use your fingers for this, so you need to have a brush in hand. So a lot of you who are oily skinned as well, this step is going to combat the oiliness as the powder is going to keep it in. and yeah, so you're not going to be oily for at least a few hours. And this is going to set the concealer so it makes sure that it does not move or does not budge throughout the day. So just going to take a little dab the excess off and just dust it across the areas that you've put your concealer on. So this way you're just making sure that the concealer stays in place, it does not move, and plus you do not get oily throughout the day. Huge difference, right? Now that you've done concealing your face, your blemishes are gone, the next step is to keep a spoolie in hand, alright? So you can probably get this anywhere, in any store. You can pick it up online as well. Just do not buy anything online for the time being until everything subsides, but then you can get this at any departmental store as well, any store that sells makeup. So and if you don't, probably if your mom's done, or your mom or your sister done with their mascara, take the wand out of that, wash it, and you can use it. So the next thing you're going to do is comb through your eyebrows. You don't need to set it, just comb through it so it looks more neat, it looks more tidy. So just basically gonna go like that, guys. It's not rocket science. Just gonna comb through it, give it some shape, make sure it looks neat. It does not look like you just got out of bed and walked out of the house, but you know, you look groomed, and it makes a huge difference. Last step is to use a lip balm. No one likes a dehydrated lip, right? So if you're going out in the sun, I would totally recommend the Body Shop Vitamin E lip balm. This is a super clear lip balm, amazing sun protection, keeps your lips super moist throughout the day. Personal experience, been using this for a long time, since college. If you're not going out, if you're at home, or if you're not going to expose yourself to the sun, you can always go in for the Nivea Classic Lip Balm as well. This is what it looks like. It's super clear, there is no sort of tint to this if you're worried about tint. Take some, put that on, and that's it, guys. You're good to go. Super lightweight, super natural makeup for men. And I almost forgot. So since you've put your concealer and powder on underneath your eyes as well, I would recommend you take the spoolie and go into your lashes and sort of just brush them out. So you're doing this because you're gonna sort of remove the product that got into your lashes while you put on your concealer and powder. So this is just gonna make sure that you're taking all that stuff out. Just brush it out. Be careful. Do not poke your eyes if you're new to makeup. You can be careful while you're doing this. You look fresh. You're good to go. Go to work. Go to the supermarket. Do groceries. Now that you're on lockdown, if you're video calling a friend, if you're just, going out to the gym, go to play soccer, whatever it is, this look could be your go-to. Few simple steps: your moisturizer, your sunscreen if you're going out, buy a good concealer, set it with powder, spoolie to comb your eyebrow, and a good lip balm at the end of it to seal it all in. So basically that's it, guys, and yeah, I just hope this video really helps you. Let me know if you're a guy out there, and if you follow a different makeup routine, share that with me and I could probably test that out as well. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Stay safe, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.